Alright, I'm here in San Diego. I'm staying in my uncle's room. Just want to let you know, the only thing I have in here is my Xbox, my laptop, a couple wires for my charging, but everything else, like the cups and the glasses and stuff like that, that's my uncle. Just wanted to let you show, but probably while I was sick. Coffee table. And I don't know how long, but that is sitting there. Don't know how long. You know that's milk. And there's my Xbox. As you can tell, we got stuff on top. Here. Alright. Trash bag. Of course. Hate that. I can't even walk around the bed. Just so I'm just trying to. Alright. And that's probably why I got sick.